When the entire globe is reeling under the catastrophe called COVID-19 pandemic, how can SAIL Rourkela steel plant stay untouched? The steel plant has been taking massive measures since the very beginning so as to prevent the spread of the disease. Regular and intensive sanitization of the plant and township is being carried out, while all-out efforts are being made to ensure adherence of the government guidelines pertaining to COVID-19. Medical facilities are regularly scrutinized and necessary updations are being carried out. Right from the day WHO announced COVID-19 outbreak as a pandemic, Mr. Deepak Chatraj, CEO of the plant, has been constantly reaching out to employees.
We have always shown remarkable strength and resilience in the face of calamities of immense proportion. The latest challenge that we are facing is the unforeseen threat of the coronavirus. Each one of us should keep in mind the message of the Honorable Prime Minister, say no to panic, yes to precaution.
All the meetings are being held on virtual mode or teleconferencing so as to ensure social distancing. However, with the unlockdown and increased movement of people, the infection was first detected in Sector 16 of the township in the month of July. Large-scale testings of the people residing in the sector was carried out immediately, and some of the residents, including employees, were tested positive. The COVID testing center that was set up by the steel plant with the help of Government of Odisha as a proactive measure in the month of April came as a huge help at this juncture. The testing center was first in the region. Tests could be carried out immediately in the center and tracing and isolating the contacts was faster.
My family रे मो मिसेस मोर झियो पॉजिटिव थियो पीपीओटी रो जो अछि कोरोना सेंटर सेठी को शिफ्ट करथिलु एवं सेठी 2 दिन रहिला परे तो हम घरे समस्त आमे पॉजिटिव थिलु हमको होम क्वारंटाइन पे एलो करा जायतिला.
First of all, it's important to take care of yourself, isolate yourself, take care of the people around you and be very strong mentally, because the panic factor I think is much more than what is actually happening.
ये महामारी थी अत्यंत भयंकर किंतु जति कि मु अनुभव कली जदि आम सतर्कता सह आम जीवन यापन करवा तेरे ये रोग हम ना और जदि भी कौन कारणवश आम तरफ आसी जाऊँगी आम चेष्टा करवा मेंटली स्ट्रांग रहा और ये रोग को निश्चय आम जीति पारिबा.
During the times of crisis, RSP is standing firmly with each of its employees. The steel plant is adding new infrastructure and healthcare facilities almost regularly so that its employees and their family members get appropriate care. A team of dedicated executives and employees is working round the clock, attending to the needs of the people. With the support of the district administration, RSP has developed a number of quarantine centers and a COVID care center. The steel plant has also provided ventilators and other support for the COVID hospital set up by Government of Odisha at High-Tech Hospital.
यदि पॉजिटिव बाहरला परे मु घरे गली रहिली मते कहले आपण होम क्वारंटाइन रहंतु किंतु मोर टिके निश्वास नबारे प्रॉब्लम हला मु देखली मोर ऑक्सीजन परसेंट कमुची संगे संगे गली हाईटेक ऑक्सीजन देले 7 दिन रखिले सब प्रकार ट्रीटमेंट करचेती 7 दिन पर सुस्त होई घर को आसली
आईडी दिवा पर जमे इमीडिएट मते आईसीयू रे रखले एवं मोर सतले ब्रीथिंग प्रॉब्लम बहुत है किंतु 3 दिन से माने ट्रीटमेंट करिया पर मो ब्रीथिंग प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो गला एवं कहले आपण कोविड पॉजिटिव वर्तमान मु पूरा फिट रहउछि मते किसी प्रॉब्लम लागु नाही.
टेस्ट कला पर मोर पॉजिटिव वाला तापर मते से होम क्वारंटाइन ले पठेले 7-8 दिन गला पर मते ज्वरटा कमिला नाही तो तापर मु आईजीएच रे जाके एडमिट हेले 2 दिन एडमिट होला पर मोर ज्वर छाड़ला ଏବଂ ତାପରେ ମୁଁ ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ ସୁସ୍ଥ ହେଲି।
डॉक्टर जो मेडिसिन देते हैं कंटिन्यू कली भापा नेवा स्टार्ट कली दिन को एटलिस्ट मिनिमम 5 to 6 टाइम्स एंड लुण पानी पोड़ी कली 4 थर खंडे से कौन है मो रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम क्लीयर रहा मत निश्वास नेवाई किसी कष्ट हलानी।
आप सबसे बढ़िया आप अगर कर पाएंगे तो आप योगा कीजिए, जैसे प्राणायाम है, प्राणायाम के साथ अगर छोटा मोटा सा एक्सरसाइज भी कर पाएंगे आप काफ़ी फ्रेश रहेंगे और आपका रिकवरी बहुत फास्ट होगा।
डरना नहीं है, बचना है और मास्क का इस्तेमाल जरूर कीजिए। मार्केट में जाइए, कहीं भी जाइए, घर में रहिए, घर के बाहर कहीं भी जाइए तो प्रिकॉशन लेना है। प्रिकॉशन ही सबसे बड़ा इसका रास्ता है।
Taking another unique and proactive step forward, Rourkela Steel Plant set up a plasma bank at IGH, which was inaugurated by Mr. Naveen Patnaik, Honorable Chief Minister of Odisha on 31st July. The plasma bank, established with the help of Government of Odisha and Ministry of Steel, is playing a key role in treatment of the critically ill COVID-19 patients. Many of the employees of RSP post-recovery from COVID are coming forward to donate plasma and save lives of others.
ଭଲ ହେଲା ପରେ ମୁଁ ମୋର ଯାହା ଦେଖିଲି ମୁଁ ମୋର ପ୍ଲାଜମା ବି ଗୋଟେ ୟୁନିଟ୍ ଦେଇ ଦେଇଛି ଏବଂ ସେ ପ୍ଲାଜମା ବି ଲୋକଙ୍କର କାମ ଦେବ।
Communicating to its employees regarding the ways of preventing the disease and guiding them in case they get the infection has been one of the priority areas of the plant management. Every possible channel of communication has been tapped and a number of systems and procedures have been put in place so as to keep the employees aware and alert. Regular interactions are being organized with various segments of employees, trade unions and executive association for quick redressal of issues and assuage of the fear quotient. Recently, an Android mobile app has also been launched in this regard. Apart from the physical ailment, another subject of concern pertaining to COVID is the social stigma attached to it.
सोशल स्टिग्मा एटा समस्ते फील करि पारथिबे। कोविड हेई साला परे लोक माने तांको केमती अवॉइड करूचंती, तांको घर को जाउ नांती, तांको केमती दूरे की रहउचंती, माने एमिति अनटचेबल कर दैचंती पेशेंट सेतरे तार डिप्रेशन हिच। एटा किंतु मोर मेसेज होची कि एमिति बिल्कुल करबा कथा नहीं। ठीक अछि आपण सोशल डिस्टेंस मेंटेन करंतु, मास्क पिनंतु, किंतु तांकर फैमिली मेंबर्स हला इवन से पेशेंट हला तांको गोटे अछुआ मनोभाव करी से दृष्टि देखंतु।
Mr. Dilip Kumar Mahapatra, Executive Director, Materials Management, speaks about his experience with the virus.
हमको निजको सुरक्षित रखिया सहित हमर सहकर्मी मानक सुरक्षित रखिया तापई जहाँ अनुशासन दरकार हमको यही परिस्थिति रे निश्चित भावे अवलंबन करी ताको दृढ़तार सहित हमें मुकाबला करिया पड़ियो।
Because of the well-planned and meticulously implemented strategy, the plant not only continued to function during the pandemic but also created a number of records in various areas of operation. Mr. P.K. Das, ED Works, who himself was infected with the virus, says,
if we get any symptoms, we should get ourselves tested and follow the advice of doctors and not the medicines which we find in the social media, and we start taking those. And I did exactly that. Rourkela Steel Plant has taken a lot of challenges. We have done a lot of records even during the pandemic period. So now this pandemic will be with us. So let us try to stay with the pandemic and keep ourselves healthy and happy.
Rourkela Steel Plant has touched many new peaks of excellence while battling against the COVID-19 pandemic. Undeterred by the seemingly insurmountable challenges thrown by the virus, the Rourkela Steel Plant Collective is moving forward with an absolute commitment to overcome every challenge. The achievements have been lauded by Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan, Honorable Union Minister of PNG and Steel, and Mr. Anil Kumar Chaudhary, Chairman SAIL. As said by Mr. Deepak Chatraj, the CEO of RSP,
every calamity leaves a trail of destruction. The better prepared people survive and gather strength to fight severer odds. Together, we have won many a battle in the past and will triumph over this one too.